She asked me to braid her hair today, and I'm lucky that she actually sits very still. Great! Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. Welcome everybody. If you're here for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and that cute notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload new videos. I'm so excited. If you want to see what I did with this backdrop and how I did it, what I've been using, stay tuned and let's get to it. To start, we would need some kind of wire that will hold the shape. To make our shape, you would need to know how big of a size you want for your heart. So I'm kind of eyeballing it right now, how big I want my heart to be, and then measure it out and cut the length that you need. You can also cut out a paper heart and then measure how much wire you need. My wire had 4 individual wires wired together. So I decided to split the wires and work with one single wire for my heart. So what I'm gonna do now is take my wire, twist it at the end so it would have that nice point, and then as soon as you have that nice point going on at the end of your wire, start shaping your heart. With my wire, I'll be starting at the very end where I have my control remote, so I can hide this behind the fabric and it will not be seen. With a thin piece of tape right to my wire. Just like that, and then I'm going to take the rest of it and I'm gonna twist it around my wire. It blinks too. Great. Oh yeah. Okay, you guys, let's stop playing with this and get to the next step. First things first, I want to hang my heart. So for that, I need to find the middle of my backdrop and also to be sure that I have an opening that I can slide my remote through the opening and secure behind the backdrop so that black remote will be hidden. I think I found the spot for my heart and I like it just like that. Right now I kind of temporarily placed a needle with the pearl hat to hold the remote, because when the remote falls it weighs the whole heart down and it disfigures the heart. How I'm going to hang this heart is like usual, very simple. I'll be taking my needles with pearls and I'll be pinning this heart to the fabric. I'm going in between the wire and then poking through my fabric, and it holds the heart very well. My heart is on and I'm happy how it looks for now. Now let's hide this remote. I fed my remote through the opening of my fabric. I grabbed some of the fabric. I'm pinching fabric and the wire together. I'm taking my needle with the pearl. I'm going in the fabric, coming back, and then going around the wire, around the wire, and poking all the way through, just like that. And slightly twist needle to the side so it would lay flat and nice. And of course, I will be taking out my exotic leaves. I want to incorporate these leaves in this backdrop. I will link a video on how I made all of these leaves in the description down below. If you're interested in this DIYs, go ahead and check it out. This is my final backdrop. As you see, I pinned every single leaf with a needle with a pearl on top, so everything holds on needles. So this is my take on this neon wire backdrop. I think it turned out really cute and absolutely different from every other backdrop that I made. In the comments down below, let me know what you think. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comment down below. Every single item that I purchased or what I used, I will be listing in the description down below, so check it out if you're interested. I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you back very soon. Bye-bye. Bye!